Introduction. Dear friends, do you have any idea as to how a kite flies? How do the leaves of a tree move? Or have you ever played with a paper windmill? How does this happen? Friends, this happens due to the movement of air. Air is present everywhere around us, and we can feel it. Objectives. At the end of this course, you will be able to list the properties of air and describe the role of air and water in our life. The balloon becomes large when we blow air into it. This clearly shows that the air occupies space. Air also has weight. You can see that air-filled balloon has more weight than an empty one. Sometimes we blow air to burn the wood or coal. This is because things get burnt quickly in the presence of air. Air moves in and out when we breathe. This shows that air supports life. Is this possible, that we remain alive without drinking water? Can fishes remain alive without water? No, we all cannot survive without it. So, water is essential for existence of living beings. We find water in wells, ponds, falls, rivers, lakes, and seas. Not only animals, but plants also need water for survival. Otherwise, they will dry up. Do you know the fact that animals also feel thirsty like us? Without water, they also cannot live. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learnt. We have air everywhere around us. Air occupies space. Air has weight. Things burn in the presence of air. Water is necessary for us. Plants and animals need water to remain alive.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fun videos.